Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this digital torque wrench, and the manufacturer was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now I did already open this and ensured that we had batteries put inside of it. It does come with the batteries right here is where they will go, and it does include a little screwdriver in order to open this up and put your batteries in and out of there. I believe they were AAA batteries. Yes, they were AAA batteries, and right there, those are the ones that are included. Go ahead and put that back on and screw it back down. Now it's also going to include your instructions right here, operation manual. It's going to tell you everything that you are going to get in here. Obviously, you're going to get your torque wrench. You're going to get an extension bar, a universal joint. Comes with those batteries. I just showed you the stubby screwdriver, which was great for installing those batteries. You're going to get a whole bunch of sockets, a whole bunch of bits, and then obviously you're going to get your instruction manual here, and it does include a calibration certification right there as well. All right, and then everything that we just went over is right there. You see it. And then this is your actual device right here. You just push this button in order to turn it on. It does have different units on here. First one on here is going to be Newton meters. Second one is going to be foot pounds. Next one is inch pounds. And this last one right here, not quite as commonly used, but it is kilogram force centimeters. I had to look that one up. I was like, what the heck is that? And then you just push these buttons right here in order to adjust them. And then you do have a memory button here as well. And then whenever we turn this, you will see that it records that force on there. Now, in regards to being advanced features, it does have some nice advanced features on here. You are going to have a track mode, a peak mode, and then you're also going to have that memory function like I just covered, and a screen lock function. And as you see, everything that you need to know about the device is going to be right here inside the operation manual. So if you're looking for a nice digital torque wrench set, go ahead and check this one out from VCAN.